The Moto G8 Plus will be available from October 28th and starts at around €239. Turning the phone over reveals a 6.3-inch 1080p LCD screen display that has smaller borders than its budget brother and a tinier notch too. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 665 processor is tucked under the hood of the G8 Plus and is joined by 4GB of RAM. The phone comes with 64GB of onboard storage, but once again this is expandable by up to 512GB via micro SD card. Moreover, it also boasts a fingerprint scanner, a headphone jack, and a huge 4K mAh battery. The phone comes with Android 9 Pie pre-installed. Now, this is not water resistant and can't be charged wirelessly. But with Turbo Power 2 ultra-fast charging, users can fuel up to 8 hours of power in nearly 15 minutes. The battery segment is pretty decent, and the battery inside the phone offers over 40 hours of life in a single charge. With a camera designed for video, this G8 Plus captures brighter videos in low light with quad pixel technology. It also makes sure that the action stays smooth even in the bumpiest situations with enhanced video stabilization. Moto G8 Plus sports a 48 megapixel sensor with autofocus, a 16 megapixel sensor, and a 5MP camera. On the front is a 25 megapixel selfie snapper with 2.2 aperture. According to the company, the handset comes with a quad-core pixel camera system and delivers 4 times low light sensitivity for sharper photos and videos in any light. Lastly, the phone comes with stereo speakers tuned by Dolby. Now, thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and with that said, till next time, bye.